Why not to add variables in here? Your language, your rules. Let's go! Hey, at the end of this video you'll have variables, strings and numbers in your programming language. If you don't know what's going on or how we got here, check out this. Let's begin. As of now, we have a simple Nearley.js grammar which understands numbers and whitespace. It's not enough, so let's extend it. Follow along. We need to add the comma token and string literals and create the EOL end of line token in the grammar. Now, any number or string will be part of our value literal. In this way, we'll easily juggle our values. We need to identify the variable reassign literal, which will be the tier of an identifier, equal token, and the value itself. We will return an object with detailed information about the location and the values. An identical pattern will go with the variable assign list literal. It will be either one variable reassignment or a tier of reassignments separated by commas. We will create the post process for this a bit later. Finally, with the use of keywords let, const or backslash, which is the equivalent for the let keyword in our language, we will get the variable assignments. Just attach the assignments and the values to the statement literal and we can proceed to the creation of our post process functions. At the bottom of our file, create the vars object which has the method assign, responsible for checking for the need of keyword uses such as let, const, and returns detailed information about the object. Similarly, create the variable assign list function, replace the v1 value by mapping through it and taking only the item with index 3. The function will return an array of variable assignments. Once done, create the statement object. This one just returns information. Simple. Switch to the AST to JS file and add an array to hold some temporary data in it. Append the statement values, which just adds the value plus a semicolon, and strings. Couple more lines to translate our variable lists and assignments to pure ES6 JavaScript code. Loop through the values and after parsing, push it into our temporary array. Then just use the join method. As in the previous video, we need to compile our grammar. Once done, we can test it out. You literally have a language that compiles down to JavaScript, one of the most popular languages and the king of the web. It wasn't the easiest task, but if you got here, then you are worth of a medal. Here you go. Comment below about how far did you get, smash the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.